आदले काँग्रेसीचे प्रदेशाध्यक्ष लुइजिनो फालेरोन कलम 371 अंतर्गत गोंयाक खासा दर्जो दिवपाच्या मागणेची परत एकदा पुनरावृत्ती केल्या। गोंय राज्याच्या जमनीच्या राखणे खातीर गोंयच्या विधिमंडळान कायद्याची अंमलबजावणी करपाचो निर्णय घेतला म्हण आदले काँग्रेस प्रदेशाध्यक्ष फालेरोन माहिती दिल्या। आरडेक्स गोवा खातीर चीफ रिपोर्टर केन्झिल रॉड्रिगीस आनी विलियम रॉड्रिगीस।
Earlier, the Congress government had also given assurance regarding special status. But Congress government did not have the desired majority in the parliament. The BJP government had given assurance in its 2012 election manifesto. That was a state election manifesto. They had given assurance in 2014 parliamentary election manifesto, and they had given assurance subsequently on various occasions. In fact, there was a resolution passed in the August House that we would ask the government of India to grant special status for Goa. Now, the present government could have definitely given a special status because they have got the desired majority in the parliament, and they have done in many cases. Therefore, I thought that even though the present government has miserably failed to protect and grant us the special status under Article 371, which is under the central list of the Constitution. There is a central list, there is a state list, and there is a concurrent list. Now, definitely Goans in our state has got certain powers within the ambit of the state, wherein the state can legislate. So today I am going to give a notice in the Legislative Assembly wherein I want to bring this bill, the Protection of Our Land Bill, under Article 246, Entry 18 of the List 2 of Schedule 7 of the Constitution. Agricultural land are gradually disappearing. It is now not within the means of any Goans to purchase these lands, because most of the land has already disappeared from the hands of Goans. And as I had told you last time, what is alarming and what is frightening and what is very sad, the Goan youth, the Goan educated youth have lost hope, because the right to employment, which is enshrined in the directive principles of the Constitution, has become only a dream, it's not a reality. And therefore our youth are running away from the state of Goa, even to the extent of taking a very fatal step of taking the foreign citizenship, so that the hope that they will get jobs abroad. Whatever is left of the agricultural land, I would like the state of Goa to protect it under Article 246(3) of the Constitution.